Hello and welcome to a featured product presentation. Today taking the spin is a battery-powered 720p camera from HeimVision. This is the HeimVision HMD2 and it's a rechargeable wireless standalone Microwessdee and cloud storage security camera with IP65 weatherproof level rating, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. After the break, I have a full review and live demonstration of this camera and we'll see if this product is right for you. Stay tuned, you have that and more after this. Welcome back. To get started, I will do a quick overview of the box the camera comes in. The box is well labeled, with its main features listed here on the side. It shows that the camera is wire-free for installation and connection. You have alternative charging options such as battery powering and solar powering. It's water and dust resistant with its IP65 enclosure. It features PIR detection sensor, Microwessdee card storage and cloud service for alternative storage choices. Intuitive app experience. It features two-way audio and it has HD infrared night vision. To the back here you have its specification. It comes with a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery. Image resolution of 720p. Microwessdee card storage up to 128 GB. It features a 2.5 130 degrees camera lens. It has an infrared distance up to 32 feet. And as mentioned a while ago, it has an IP65 water and dust resistance rating. And without further ado, I will do a quick unboxing. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You have the security camera itself. You get a micro USB charging cable. You have two types of mounts included in your purchase. A swivel mount for mounting the camera from the bottom, and a very strong magnetic ball rotation mount for mounting the camera from the back. You get two packs of wall plugs and screws for each of the mounts. You get two double-sided 3M tape for attaching the mount to a wall without drilling holes. And the last item here is a quick start guide. Let's take a look at its design and its external features. To the front of the camera, you have the lens surrounded by infrared LEDs for night vision, and it's covered by a piece of glass surrounded by an airtight border that protects against fogging up. Below here you have the PIR motion sensor and a mic hole. Behind the camera you have speaker holes, the magnetic ball rotation mounting slot, and a removable rubber cover for accessing the micro USB port, the charging port, the reset button, and the power button. And below the camera, you have the screw hole for mounting the swivel stand. Let's look at the both ways you can mount this camera. First you have the swivel mount. And now the magnetic mount. The magnetic mount is very powerful, and you have to apply much force to detach it, which makes it very safe and almost impossible for it to fall off. It also makes it quick and easy to change the position of the camera. To start using the camera, complete the following steps in the exact order. The first thing you have to do is to remove the waterproof rubber covering the controls and storage area. Next, you have to place a functioning microSD card into the slot. The camera can take a microSD card with a capacity up to 128 GB, and it should be properly formatted before placing it into the camera. Now press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power on the camera. Then press the power button once again to wake the camera from sleep mode. The red LED indicator to the front should start flashing. If there is no flashing, it means that the camera needs charging. So with the included micro USB cable, charge the camera and repeat the first 2 steps. Next, insert the reset pin into the reset hole and press for 5 seconds until you hear a beeping sound indicating that the camera has been reset. And before you move on to the other steps, replace the rubber cover to secure the controls area. The following steps involves connecting a mobile device to the camera. Using your Android or iOS device, install a QR code scanner app from the Google Play Store and scan the code in the manual or the code on the box and install the HeimVision app from the App Store. Once the app is installed, open the HeimVision app and register an account, or log into your account if you have already created one. Once you are inside the app, tap on the Add button and proceed to the following screen. At this point, ensure that the camera is on, and the reset button has been pressed with the red LED flashing. An option to select battery camera should appear on the screen. Select it and proceed to the next screen. The app will then issue some verbal instructions, again ensuring that you have the camera ready for the next step.
Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Press the battery camera button and tap Next. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password.
The next step is to connect to a Wi-Fi network with a username and password. Once this is done, proceed to the next screen. At this point, the HeimVision app will then produce its own QR code for you to scan with the IP camera. Face the IP camera at the code on the mobile screen about 5 to 6 inches away, and you should hear the same beep again confirming that the code has been successfully scanned. Tap Next and proceed to the final screen. The app and the camera will start to synchronize with each other, and once completed, tap on the Done button to finish the process. Okay, so I have taken time to set up the swivel stand and the magnetic mount at 2 locations, and I will now demonstrate its features and how it applies. To start using the IP camera, you first have to understand how the camera works. When you open the app on your mobile device and tap on the play button, the camera enters into live streaming mode where you can watch what is happening live. However, this is not how the camera records footage. Because the camera does not come with a DVR, it records only when someone or something triggers the body sensor. It then records a short video and snapshot of the event and saves it to the SD card for later viewing. It also sends a notification to your phone alerting you to the event, where you can view the event snapshot or recording on your mobile device. In live streaming mode, you can manually take snapshots and record footage. With the included speaker, you can speak to whoever's near to the camera using your phone. I have tested this feature and it is surprisingly loud. There is also a setting to increase or lower the volume level of the speaker if you so choose. The camera comes with a microphone with excellent reception. The reception is so good, I can hear the next door neighbor speaking in his yard. You have the option to adjust the sensitivity of the body sensor in case you live on a busy street or have pets running about all the time that will trigger an event. You can also disable the body sensor and simply view live footage. On the screen you have the option to switch between SD and HD recording quality, but the resolution is up to 720p. You have the option to enter the history of the camera and save a snapshot or footage to your mobile device. There is also an optional cloud storage feature that you can try free for 7 days, but this is totally optional and does not take away from the full function of the camera. Let's take a look at a recording of a daytime event. This is a nighttime footage. This is the camera in the rain testing its IP65 weather resistance feature. So I have been running this camera for 2 straight days, and I couldn't help but notice that the battery is still on 3 bars, which is a good sign for battery life. In summary, the HeimVision HMD2 wireless rechargeable IP security camera is a good high-quality camera that is easy to install and operate. It's smart, it captures HD quality snapshots and footage, and it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. So if you are interested in this product, use the links I provided in the description area to the exact model shown in this video, and not some cloned imitation product. By using my links you also support this channel, which allow me to acquire more products for review. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video if the information was useful. And to be notified via email when I release another video or do a giveaway, you have to click the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a beat. Again, thanks for watching my video, stay tuned, and see you in the next one.